In today's video, I am going to teach you how to log out Zoho Workdrive. This is a quick process, but it is still important to do it the right way, especially if you are using a shared computer, you are signed in on a public device, or you simply want to switch to a different account. Logging out helps protect your files and keeps your organization's data secure. It also prevents someone else from opening your Workdrive and accessing recent folders, shared team files, or saved browsing sessions. To begin, make sure you are already signed in to Zoho Workdrive and that you are on the main screen of the web app. Give the page a moment to fully load so the top navigation bar appears correctly. The option to sign out is found in the account menu in the top right corner, so you will want to look there first. Now, move your attention to the top right corner of the Workdrive window. You will see your profile picture if one has been uploaded. If you do not have a photo set, you will usually see your initials instead. Click that profile picture or initials. This opens a small drop-down menu with account-related options. If you click and nothing happens, try clicking once more and make sure your browser is not blocking pop-ups or that the window is not zoomed in too far, which can sometimes hide menus. Once the drop-down menu is open, look through the list of options and select Sign Out. Click Sign Out one time and wait for the page to process. You should be logged out right away and taken back to a sign-in screen or a page that confirms you are no longer in your account. For an extra layer of safety, especially on a shared or public computer, it is a good idea to close the browser tab after you sign out. If you want to be even more careful, you can close the entire browser window to fully end the session. You have now successfully logged out of Zoho Workdrive, and that is all there is to it.